Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the Nabertherm Muffle Furnace. If you're into heat treatment, material testing, or laboratory work, this is a must-watch video. We'll explore the features, benefits, and how to use this versatile furnace. Let's dive in. Before we get started, let's talk about what a muffle furnace is. It's a high-temperature oven used for a wide range of applications, including annealing, calcining, and sintering. Nabertherm is renowned for its quality furnaces, and the muffle furnace is no exception. Now, let's take a closer look at the key features of the Nabertherm Muffle Furnace. 1. Temperature control. The Nabertherm Muffle Furnace offers precise temperature control, ensuring your samples are heated accurately. 2. Programmable controller. It comes equipped with a programmable controller, allowing you to create custom heating profiles for your specific applications. 3. Safety features. Safety is a priority with this furnace, featuring multiple safety measures such as over-temperature protection and a door safety switch. 4. Heating elements. Nabertherm uses high-quality heating elements for long-lasting and consistent performance. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using the Nabertherm Muffle Furnace. 1. Uniform heating. Thanks to its design, this furnace provides excellent temperature uniformity, ensuring consistent results. 2. Wide temperature range. With a broad temperature range, you can use this furnace for various heat treatment processes. 3. Versatility. From laboratories to industrial settings, this furnace is versatile and can handle a wide range of applications. All right, you've seen the features and benefits, but how do you use the Nabertherm Muffle Furnace? 1. Loading samples. Start by carefully loading your samples onto the furnace tray, making sure they're properly positioned. 2. Setting temperature and time. Use the intuitive controller to set the desired temperature and heating time. 3. Running the process. Once you've configured the settings, start the heating process. The furnace will take care of the rest. Safety precautions. While the furnace is running, always follow safety guidelines and wear appropriate protective gear. In conclusion, the Nabertherm Muffle Furnace is a reliable and versatile tool for heat treatment applications. Whether you're in a laboratory or an industrial setting, this furnace can help you achieve precise and consistent results. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. If you have any questions or want more details about the Nabertherm Muffle Furnace, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.